Namaskar, I'm Alka Mishra, Principal Basant Valley Global School, and I very warmly welcome our Honorable IC members, Mrs. Shamla Subbu, Principal Villamel Vidyalaya Chennai, and Shri Surjit Singh, Principal Kendriya Vidyalaya No. 1 Bikaner. I also welcome our distinguished observers from the CBSE board for the upgradation of my school to senior secondary level. Basant Valley Global School is situated in a very calm, quiet and serene surroundings of Sector 49 in Gurugram. So let me take you inside our Temple of Learning. Let me now show you the boundary wall of the school. We are now entering the green area of the school, which is also known as the Adventure Bay. The children come over here, expend their energies, enjoy, refresh themselves and go back to the classroom. This is the sand pit, which is the most favorite spot of the junior children who come and show their creativity using sand over here. These are the obstacles. Before the pandemic hit us, this zone was bubbling with energy and echoing with laughter of the children. This is our jungle gym. And the swings. We have our grounds marked for Kho-Kho. Cricket pitch. Our PE teacher, Mr. Jitender, is here to train the children and sharpen their skills in bowling and batting. Both the boys and girls are very interested in learning how to play cricket. End of the school. Coming to the rear end of the school, this is the school boundary wall of the rear end and also the second exit door. This is our basketball court, which has witnessed many matches and heard the cheering of the students and the staff together. And his training techniques to teach. This is the rear exit gate of the school. Both the entry and the exit gates are manned by guards and have CCTV cameras installed. Continuing with the boundary wall, we also have the badminton court, which is a very popular zone for the students. Sometimes before the classes begin for the day, the students come over here and enjoy their game during the recess and of course the PE period. The badminton court is used both by the students and the staff members. Coming to our volleyball zone, this is where our children play and practice volleyball. This is our skating ring, where the children learn to maneuver and balance themselves. It's amazing to see the children moving on the wheels, zipping past these cones and applying brakes with such ease. Welcoming our members inside the school building. We also have a ramp for the differently abled. This is our school reception area. That's our reception desk. These are a few glimpses of the online classes that are being conducted these days. This board speaks about the ethos of Basant Valley Global School. These are the awards that Basant Valley Global School has received as School of Excellence and Excellence in Teaching Pedagogy. We have the pictures of famous personalities, which are a constant motivation not just for the students but for the rest of the staff as well. This is the school lift. The chairman's office. This is the room where all the executions are planned and discussed under the gentle guidance of our chairman, Sir Mr. B.L. Sharma. Our accounts department, where we have all our bills. This is our staff room. We have computer systems with Wi-Fi connectivity in the staff room for the teachers to do their R&D so that they can develop better lesson plans and have accessible resources for them. These are our stock registers, result registers, attendance registers, annual projections and lesson plans. This is our TT room. This is our yoga room. Here the students come and learn the breathing techniques, they learn meditation, and they learn different yoga asanas. This room is also utilized by our facilitators to relax mentally and meditate. This is our indoor play zone. This zone is used by our students when it is raining or it is very hot and the weather is not very conducive for the children to play outside. These are their hurdles. We have hooplas. We have the ladder on which the children jump. They exercise their muscles and have fun. For our tiny tots, we have a game called Little Kickers. It is very similar to the football game. Here the students learn how to kick the ball and dribble the ball between their feet. Let me now take you inside our biology lab. Our biology lab is well equipped with apparatus, slides, specimens for our students to understand the living world around them. We have a skeletal over there through which the children can understand the various bones present in the human body along with the joints and the names of the joints. We have the microscopes over here so that the students can observe the slides and the specimens under enlarged lenses. We have sufficient dissection boxes also for the students. These are the various specimens which are there in the core study material for the senior and senior secondary classes. We have certain models of the different organs of the human body for the students to understand their structure in detail. Our biology lab has many charts put up on display, again for the same reason that the students can look at these charts and reinforce or recapitulate and understand the structure of various organisms or the structure of the human body, the internal structure of the human body, the internal structure of the plants and microbes. We also have a well-maintained biology stock register. The stock register contains in detail about all the apparatus that we have in our biology lab. We also have a sink with running water for the students to prepare their slides, wash their slides, and wash the glass equipments that they use during their biology practicals. We are moving towards the physics lab now. We have a board prepared by the students. This is our physics lab. Our physics lab has all the mandatory equipments to experiment sound, electricity experiments and also light experiments for the students of the senior secondary classes. This is our physics teacher, Ms. Nima Tyagi, and she is going to introduce herself further.
Myself, Nima Tyagi. I have done MSc BEd. Now I am taking physics for senior classes. I have 6 years experience in physics. These are our instruments. I want to introduce from here. Here we can find the focal length of concave mirror with the help of convex mirror. Here find the focal length of convex mirror, and we can find the focal length of convex mirror. Here is the instrument by which we can use to find the resultant of two vector quantities with the help of parallelogram law, addition law. Here is the instrument which is we use to find the EMF of the cell, that is potentiometer, and this device we use, that is meter bridge, we use for finding the unknown resistance. Now here we have a sonometer. We use to find the frequency of AC mains with the help of sonometer. Here we have a device to find the characteristics of PN junctions as a transistor and logic gates. We can find the VI curve with the help of these instruments. Here all of these are our electrical instruments like voltmeter, ammeter, multimeter, rheostat. Here is a step down transformer also. We study the transformer. Now we have a resonance tube. We can find the frequency with the help of resonance tube. Here is a simple pendulum. We can find the time period and frequency with the help of this device, and that one is traveling microscope. We can compare the refractive index of a glass slab. That's all. Thank you.
We also have charts all around the physics lab for the children to understand the concepts visually.
This is my physics lab stock register. In this I have recorded all the instruments data, how many devices we have.
We can open it and have a look too.
Yes, ma'am.
We have maintained the record of all the apparatus that we have in the physics lab. Thank you so much, Neema ma'am, for running us in such a detailed fashion about the physics lab. Let me now take you to our chemistry lab. Before the students enter the chemistry lab, they go through the do's and don'ts of the chemistry lab and the precautions they are meant to keep in mind while they are working in the chemistry lab. This is our cupboard where we keep all our reagents. The reagents are kept under lock and key and taken out during the supervision of our chemistry teacher. Let me now introduce you to our chemistry teacher, Ms. Hina Garg.
I am Hina Garg. I am MSc Chemistry plus B.Ed, and I proposed as a PGT chemistry teacher. I will be teaching as a class 11th and 12th.
Our chemistry lab is well equipped for students of senior secondary classes to conduct their experiments over here.
These are the apparatus. This one is Gibbs apparatus, China dish, tripostand, wire gauze. This one is gas burner. This is on. Test tube, and conical flask, round flask, beaker, funnel, and this one is also burner on. This is the tap water. The water is continue in this. This is an conical flask of 100 ml and 250 ml both. burette, pipette, glass rod, spatula, and dropper also.
We have charts displayed in the chemistry lab. These charts act as reinforcement for the students of whatever they have learned in their theory lessons to be applied while they come to experiment in the chemistry lab. Our chemistry lab, for safety purpose, also has 2 fire extinguishers, one each at the entrance of the lab and the other at the exit of the lab.
This is a chemistry lab stock register, and in this registers all apparatus, reagents and chemicals are maintained in these registers.
Thank you so much, Hina, ma'am, for running us through your chemistry lab. This is our science composite lab. Since we are an experiential school, we lay a lot of emphasis for the students to learn through experimentation. So our middle school students come over here quite frequently to conduct their experiments, to gather their observations and to come to a conclusion. The composite lab is always bubbling with curious questions, not only to the teachers, but very, very animated discussions about their findings with the peers as well. The lab has different charts through which the students can reinforce and also enhance their knowledge about the living world around them. The lab is equipped with all the necessary apparatus that is required to conduct experiments for the students of the middle school. We also have the composite stock lab register. The stock lab register is maintained so that we can take care of all the apparatus that is with us. This is our math lab. Our math lab is well maintained by our mathematics facilitator, Ms. Roli Jain. Apart from teaching mathematics to grade 10 students, she is also our academic head, and she looks minutely into the planning and execution of the lesson plans which she creates for our primary school children. Ma'am, can you introduce yourself, please?
Thank you, ma'am. I'm Roli Jain, TGT Mathematics. I would like to take you around Math Lab. Mathematics is supposed to be a very abstract subject, but with the help of these manipulatives and teaching resources that we have in Math Lab, we help our students understand maths concepts with ease and have fun with maths. Let's have a look. This is a decimal kit. Decimal kits help in our students understanding the place value of decimal numbers and also the relationship between fractions and decimals. They just play with numbers in our Math Lab. This is rangometry. This is for understanding patterns and squares of numbers, cubes of numbers. This is place value kit. This one is for understanding 2D and 3D shapes. They can easily understand how many faces are there, how many vertices, everything they can understand and manipulate over there. And this is the important part of Maths Lab, which is abacus. It helps them in understanding the place value of the numbers. Also, I would like to show you a Math Lab stock register. We have well maintained Math Lab register with all the entries, whatever stock we have, they are properly stocked over here. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Roli ma'am, for running us through your Math Lab. Inside our computer lab, this is our well-equipped computer lab. We pay a lot of emphasis on teaching computer skills to our students. This pandemic has reinforced and highlighted the use of computer and computer-related technology. AA and coding has become very popular now. This is my computer teacher, Ms. Ashima Malhotra, and she will introduce herself further.
Good morning, I am Ashima Malhotra, the proposed teacher for the post of PGT Computers. My qualification is MCA, BA, BSc, having 10 years, more than 10 years of teaching experience. As we all know that computers being the hour of the need and totally a practical subject, so we have maintained the well-equipped lab with all the updated softwares and antiviruses which we are using, and we are maintaining the proper stock register for the same regarding all the hardwares, viruses, antiviruses which we are using, and the networking which we are using to connect all the systems so that we can keep an eye. And there are 31 students, 31 systems here. One is for me, for the teacher, and the rest from where the students can work. Apart from them, I can also see from here what my children, what my students are working on the systems, whether they are doing it properly or they are doing something extra which is not into their syllabus. So we have that facility also here.
Thank you, Ashima ma'am, for running us through so well regarding our computer lab. This is our library and we call it Bodh. At Basant Valley Global School, we instill the love of reading into our students. We have a well-stocked and well-equipped library, not just for the students, but for the teachers as well, so that they can do their research work and add on value to their teaching skills. This is Divya ma'am, and I'm handing her over the mic to her to take us through the library.
Okay, good morning ma'am. My name is Divya Wadhwa and currently I am taking care of the library. So I just give you a brief tour about our library, about our school library. This is our primary fiction, okay. This is our middle fiction, and we have all sort of storybooks for the children according to their age. And I just going to I will be taking to the senior secondary section also, where all the textbooks and the reference books for the teachers and for the students are there. This is our class 12th and class 11th. This is class 11, all the textbooks and reference books for all streams, These are periodicals. And these are the registers which we maintain for the, this is a library accession register where we keep all the records of all the books. This is a student's issue register and the teacher's issue register.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving us a lovely glimpse of our library. our nursery classroom. We fondly call our nursery children tulips. This is one of the most colorful classrooms of the school. All the work that you see up is the work which is done by our students. We have low and comfortable seating arrangements for the students, and of course the smart board for them. Our kindergarten classroom. We call our kindergarten children fondly by the name of robins. Again, we have a low seating plan for the students, which is comfortable for them. All the students' work is up on the boards. The classroom also has a 360 degrees CCTV installed. At whichever time one chooses to enter these classrooms, one would find the students engaged in some form of activity, be it songs, role plays, dabbling with colors, listening to theme-related stories, and being introduced to letters and numbers for their literacy and numeracy skills. Each of our classrooms is equipped with smart boards for visual display. Taking you through my primary section now. Grade 1. Grade 2. I shall now be taking you to our secondary and senior secondary section. This is our grade 10th classroom. Our classrooms have CCTV cameras installed with OHPs and smart boards. Each class has a system so that the students can see the concepts that are taught to them visually. This is our Hindi teacher and she is going to introduce herself to you.
मैं कंचन बंसल प्रस्तावित हिंदी अध्यापिका पीजीटी के लिए नियुक्त की गई हूँ। मेरी योग्यता एमए बीएड हिंदी विषय में है। मैं पिछले 3 वर्षों से बसंत वैली ग्लोबल स्कूल में सीनियर हिंदी अध्यापिका के रूप में कार्यरत हूँ और आगे आने वाले समय में अपने अनुभव और ज्ञान से बच्चों का भविष्य उज्जवल करने का प्रयास करती रहूँगी। धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, Kanchan ma'am.
थैंक यू मैम।
This is our proposed grade 11 class. Like I previously mentioned, all our classrooms are equipped with OHPs, systems and smart boards for the clarity of concepts and also to create interest in learning. I'll be handing over the mic to our teacher.
Good morning. I'm Ashima Malhotra, the proposed teacher for PGT Computers. I have more than 10 years of teaching experience. So this is our classroom, and we use well-equipped projectors and all the appropriate softwares so that the kids can get the best conceptual clarity.
Thank you so much, Ashima ma'am. This is another classroom that we have created for our grade 11 students. Our classrooms are well lit, spacious and airy. One of the proposed teachers for teaching our senior secondary students is Shobna ma'am, and I'll let her introduce herself to you.
Thank you, ma'am. Myself, Shobna. I am teaching social studies at BVGS. I am in the teaching profession for the last 6 years. Teaching is my passion, and this is the only profession where learning becomes a lifetime process. I have done MA, LLB and B.Ed. This time, school authorities has proposed my name for PGT Political Science for senior secondary classes. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Shobna ma'am. This is our dance room, and we call it Jhankar. Our dance teacher trains our children in jazz, contemporary dance, folk dances. We also train our children for Kathak and Bharatnatyam, which are the two forms of classical dances. This is our music room. We have different instruments. We also teach our children folk songs from various regional languages. Since we are a secular school, we teach our children and give them the exposure of hymns and prayer songs of various religions. Over here, children understand melody, rhythm, and beats. Our art room. A lot of creativity takes place over here. Children dabble with different mediums to create art form, be it clay, be it sand, be it paints, be it watercolors, be it crayons. They also learn different type of crafts and become skilled with their fingers, with their creativity and their imagination. Some of our students' work has been displayed on the boards. I shall now be taking you inside our activity room. We have different kind of board games for the students to come here, relax, unwind. We have a small jungle gym for the children to enjoy. The ball pool is here, carom boards, ludo, chess. The murals on the walls have been painted by our very own students. Let's go inside our auditorium and assembly hall. Our assembly cum auditorium hall is used by the students during special assemblies. The stage is used for performing arts, and the junior students use it for role plays as well. We have seen heated debates, excellent declamations, quizzes being conducted over here. Our parent orientation programs are also conducted in this assembly hall. Let me take you inside our medical room. Students who are not feeling well come over here. They report sick to the nurse who's available to them. We have first aid box with us and a doctor on call. All the murals that you see on the wall have been painted by our very own students. This is the girls' washroom. We have the WCs with health faucets for the children. Each washroom has a soap dispenser. Our boys' washroom. We have the urinals with the partitions. We have the WCs with the health faucets. The sink, and the soap dispenser. Each corridor has a set of drinking water taps. The water supply comes from the RO system for the clean and safe drinking water for our students. The students of the eco group have put quotations on every drinking tap zones of the school. Our fire safety fire extinguishers are placed on the either ends of each corridor with water hoses and the fire extinguishers. Welcome to my office. Thank you so much for patiently watching and being a part of this virtual school tour with us. The motto of Basant Valley Global School is Soaring Beyond Expectations, and I as a school head, along with my well-experienced, ever willing to learn, dedicated set of teachers are committed towards shaping beautiful young minds and creating confident personalities. I would like to wish goodbye to all our members with this beautiful Sanskrit shloka. Vidya dadati vinayam, vinayad yati patritam, patravad dhanamaponati, dhanad dharmam, tatah sukham. Thank you so much.